Hey, so I'm in San Francisco again with some more information about vibe coding, what it means, what it doesn't mean, and how you can get stuff done while you're walking, like what I'm doing right now. So, for example, on this walk, I can put all my thoughts and ideas down about a particular topic. Like, for example, I recently finished an app on my Global Challenge game, which is this educational game that I started developing a lot of years ago when I was teaching social studies. I have a whole notebook in NotebookLM that's dedicated to that. All of my notes, everything about the game, how it works, all the educational theories. I've got my graduate thesis paper in there that describes the system and why it works so well in education. Okay, so I've got, I don't know, like 100 or more notes in there, plus the rules of the game and everything. So the vibe coding part of it is that I will describe what I want that app or website to look like. And then what I do is I take that transcript, put it into NotebookLM, along with some instructions of that I want to create a prompt for a platform like Lovable AI so I can produce the app or produce a website that explains the app, or all three. And then usually I'll get the readout, or the output I should say, from NotebookLM. And what I do to refine it is I drop it into Claude 4.6, which is a super sophisticated agent, more or less. And I ask it to properly describe it in as elaborate and intricate details as possible, so that I can put it in Lovable AI. And I will tell it that too, that where I'm going, where it's been, where it's going, what I'm doing, who I am, what this is all about, so it knows everything possible about that. Then I drop it into the Lovable AI platform, and bingo, I will get a first draft version of it. And then I'm telling you, I'm like a week and a half after doing that. I've almost got the app done. This thing should be ready for public viewing and use. Like, if I was just doing that and nothing else in my life, I could probably have it done in a week. But because most of us don't have schedules like that, it's going to take a couple of weeks. This is something that used to take 6 months to a year, and now you can do it in 2 or 3 weeks. So in the description underneath this video, you can find a link to that website, my service, and you can sign up there. You can meet me on a walk or a hike or a run, and I'll show you how it works and how fun this can be, and we'll take it from there.